What if I told you one motorhome survived 45 years with paint so loud it could cause a politician to tell the truth? And what if I said it still rides smoother than half the brand new rigs at the RV show? Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, when I first walked up to this 45 years owned 1977 GMC Eleganza 2 26-foot motorhome, I felt like I'd just stepped into a time capsule built by a man who believed deeply in two things: bold paint and serious road trip commitment. I think my neighbor Gary would have fainted right on the driveway if he saw those pink, purple, and burgundy stripes. He still gets nervous around anything more colorful than beige. Before we roll in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I believe it helps my self-esteem. And apparently, the algorithm too. Now this beast rides low, smooth, and surprisingly modern for something that's been roaming since Jimmy Carter was in office. Under the front end sits a 403 CI V8, 6.6-liter, pushing power through a 3-speed automatic to the front wheels. Yes, front-wheel drive in 1977. I like the most how it still growls through those super turbo mufflers. With 26 feet, 7.9 meters of classic fiberglass and aluminum bodywork and 6 16.5-inch wheels, the Eleganza 2 still manages to handle better than some newer rigs I've tested. Inside, the lounge hits you with corded pink upholstery, so confident it feels like it should have its own fan club. 2 captain's chairs, a sofa, dinette booth, custom white American oak cabinets with motion-activated lights. Honestly, my buddy Mike thought the interior was designed by a disco architect who moonlighted as a carpenter. There's a kitchenette with stove, sink, microwave, fridge, and a wet bath across from it, plus a rear settee-to-bed setup that I think might be more comfortable than my first apartment. Tech and comfort? Oh, it's loaded. Dual Dometic roof AC units with heat pumps, 2 solar panels tied to a trace inverter, Bluetooth Alpine stereo, tinted windows, and a sliding mount Onan 6,000-watt generator showing around 762 hours. The suspension? Independent front with torsion bars and 4 rear wheels floating on a newly refreshed height-adjustable air system. Coney shocks, new bags. The thing rides like it's on marshmallows. Expensive marshmallows. Power comes from new AGM batteries, 80 amp-hour main, 200 amp-hour house, plus fuel, water, and propane tanks, and a black water macerator fitted with a fresh shuttle valve. This rig sold for 56,000 USD, about 52,000 euro. And honestly, I think the buyer got themselves a rolling piece of history that still wants to party. And hey, there's a link under the, if you want to support the channel, become a sponsor for just $1. It's cheaper than the coffee my friend Dave spills every morning. Sponsorship links in the description under the video.